Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever been frustrated because every time you draw a shape in Photoshop, it defaults to a color or stroke style you did not want? Today, I am going to show you exactly how to change your default shape settings so you can save time on every project. Whether you want all your rectangles, I have the solution. If this video helps you streamline your workflow, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Let us jump right into it. First, select any shape tool from your toolbar, such as the rectangle tool or the ellipse tool, by pressing the U key on your keyboard. With the tool active, look up at the options bar at the top of your screen. This is where you define how your shapes behave. Go ahead and adjust your preferred settings. Choose your desired fill color, set your stroke color, adjust the stroke width, select your stroke type like solid or dashed, and set your corner radius if you are using rounded rectangles. Once these parameters are dialed in, simply right-click directly on the Shape tool icon, located on the far left of the options bar. From the menu that appears, select Reset Tool. By resetting it while these settings are active, you are effectively telling Photoshop to remember these specific configurations as your new baseline. Now, every single time you draw a new shape, it will automatically adopt these exact properties. Now, sometimes Photoshop might feel stubborn and keep resetting your settings every time you close the program. If you find your preferences are not sticking, there's a second method you need to know. Go up to the Edit menu, then click Preferences and select General. In this window, look for the option labeled Reset Tool on Close and make sure that it is unchecked or disabled. Once you click OK, Photoshop will stop force resetting your tools and will consistently remember the last settings you used. Here's a quick tip for those who hate dealing with borders. If you want clean shapes every time without any outlines, just set your fill to any color of your choice and set the stroke to none. Now, every time you draw, you will get perfectly clean shapes without needing to manually remove the stroke. It's a massive time saver for UI design and illustration work. I hope this guide helps you work much faster in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more professional design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.